Drawing tablets span a wide range of use cases, from budget beginners sketching on a tablet with software training included, to standalone devices that let you create without a computer. This comparison focuses on 5 widely available models that cover a spectrum of budgets and workflows. Wacom Intuos Small, budget option.
List number 1. Wacom Intuos Small Graphics Drawing Tablet. The Wacom Intuos Small is a classic entry point into digital drawing, renowned for EMR pen technology that is battery-free and offers a pen-on-paper feel. It includes training and software access, and features 4 customizable Express keys designed to improve workflow across Chromebook, Mac, Android, and Windows environments. Its ultra-lightweight form factor and plug-and-play USB-A connectivity emphasize simplicity and reliability for beginners and casual creators. Performance-wise, this tablet leverages Wacom's industry-leading pen technology with 49.6 levels and a responsive response that suits line work and ink-like strokes. The absence of a screen keeps costs down while still delivering precise input for software like Photoshop and Illustrator. The main trade-offs are its lack of a display, you're drawing on a separate monitor, and a modest 8.1-ounce weight, which can feel tactily different than a full-featured display tablet after extended sessions. The included training resources are a meaningful value add for newcomers, while the 15-hour claimed battery life applies to the pen use since the device itself is wired, offering dependable operation in classroom or home setups.
List number 2. UG M708 V3. The UG M708 V3 provides a large active drawing area, 10 by 6 inches, with an 8192 level passive stylus and 8 customizable Express keys. It supports a broad OS range, Windows, macOS, Android, Linux, and ships with a driver capable of handling a range of creative software. The combination of size, adaptable connectivity, USB and adapters for USB-C, and a competitive price point makes it a strong value proposition for students or hobbyists who want more space without stepping into professional-level screen tablets. Performance-wise, the 8192 level pressure sensitivity yields crisp lines with varying pressure. However, since it's a non-display tablet, it shares the same fundamental limitation as the Wacom Intuos in requiring a separate screen. The 60-degree tilt support and shortcut keys improve workflow, particularly in Photoshop or Clip Studio Paint. While drivers are generally stable, some users may encounter setup friction when pairing with Chromebooks or Linux environments. Nonetheless, the kit's compatibility with a wide software ecosystem and its relatively light footprint, about 2.38 pounds, keep it convenient for on-the-go creativity.
List number 3. AT8 Drawing Tablet, no computer needed. The Frunze T8 is a standalone 8-inch drawing tablet running Android 13 with pre-installed drawing apps and tutorials. It features a 1200 by 800 display, 2048 level pressure sensitivity, and a quad-core MTK CPU with 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage, expandable to 256 GB. A 4,000 mAh battery promises up to 20 hours of drawing, enabling true mobile creativity without a computer. This device targets users who want portable, on-the-go ability to sketch, annotate, and experiment with drawing apps directly on the tablet. Performance-wise, the 2048 pressure levels are modest but workable for beginners and intermediate artists, especially given the standalone nature and Android app ecosystem. The 8-inch screen is crisp for its class, and the 20-hour battery supports longer sessions away from power outlets. The main trade-offs are limited professional-grade processing power compared to a desktop workstation, and a potential app ecosystem variance between Android apps versus desktop equivalents. For students and travelers, the Frunze T8 offers compelling convenience, but it's best for those who value standalone operation over raw lifting power.
List number 4. Picasso Tab X Drawing Tablet, no computer needed, drawing apps. The Picasso Tab X is an affordable standalone tablet with a 10-inch screen, bundled stylus, and 4 bonus items including a case, drawing glove, power adapter, and screen protector. It runs Android with a 1024 level pressure sensitivity, a front-facing camera, and multi-touch features. The inclusion of pre-installed drawing and note-taking apps makes it appealing as a classroom or casual creative device. It positions itself as a versatile, budget-friendly option for beginners who want immediate access to apps and tutorials without extra purchases. Performance-wise, the 1024-level stylus can feel less precise for detailed line work compared with higher-pressure devices, but the overall experience remains approachable for doodling, note-taking, and basic illustration. The 10-inch IPS display provides a solid visual experience for light art tasks and media consumption. The main trade-offs are limited professional-grade features, older Android OS version, Marshmallow and specs, which may impact app compatibility, and the relatively heavier device, 3.1 pounds for a tablet of its size. The 1-year warranty and bundled extras improve perceived value for beginners.
List number 5. Haiyan Huion Canvas Pro 16 Drawing Tablet with Screen. The Canvas Pro 16 is a 15.6-inch pen display with a laminated screen, anti-glare glass, and 8192 level pressure sensitivity. It includes a stand, ST200, 6 express keys, and a touch bar for efficient workflow. It's designed to be connected to a computer, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, rather than functioning as a standalone device, making it a strong option for creators who want a higher-end drawing surface with a display and reliable pen input. Performance-wise, the Canvas Pro 16 delivers strong pen performance with 60-degree tilt support and virtually lag-free tracking. The laminated anti-glare screen improves pen feel and reduces parallax, which is crucial for precision work like inking and digital painting. The device's main limitations are its dependence on a computer, a slightly heavier footprint, and the need for a stable driver ecosystem across Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. For professionals who value color accuracy and a larger drawing area, this is the standout when a display is essential.